How do you change the color of notes in Instagram? This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now basically, first things first, you want to head over to your App Store or Google Play Store depending on the device that you are using. Right after, let's just head over to the Instagram application, and from here you want to make sure that your Instagram is up to date, because the feature that we are going to be talking about today is one of the newest feature Instagram has released. So in order to use that specific feature, you need to make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram. And so guys, right after updating Instagram, you can just go ahead and open up the application. And from here, all you have to do is to navigate through the messages icon on your Instagram. Once inside, to go ahead and change the color of your notes, all you have to do is to include color gold in your notes. As of the moment, this specific feature is not yet available on my region. But if you want to go ahead and change your note into something like gold, you want to make sure that you include gold in your notes right here. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.